Hello parents, thank you for purchasing our science kit, the Witch's Brew. Before you start experimenting with your kids, there are a few things that I would like to tell you. In order to get best experience out of the science kit, first make sure that you have extra cups and plates ready to accompany your experiment. You will likely need wipes or towel, since it will get a little bit messy. So in the science kit, you will also get 2 of the food coloring droppers. They are brand new. So what you need to do before you start the experiment is to make sure to cut open the food coloring bottle. Otherwise it won't come out. You will also need to prepare some water and some oil that you will need to put in the cup. Okay. Lastly, you will get the PlugNStack charging station as well. Now, to operate this, you need to connect a micro USB cable that we give you, or any of your micro USB cable that you have at home, to a phone charger, for example. Now, sometimes there are phone chargers that doesn't fit quite nice with the micro USB cable. You might want to maybe change the cable, or maybe change the adapter, or find an alternate source of the power. There are 3 different variations to the experiment. Feel free to adjust your pace on your own. It depends on your kid's interest. Level 1, when I did it with my kid, it takes more than 50 minutes because he really enjoys level 1, so I just let him be. But it really depends on you and your children. So after the experiment, either level 1, level 2, or level 3, you will likely have some leftover of the gel. So what I would do is save those leftover gel for another science activity, that is to bury the gel in soil, as I have done with my children. The idea is to use this opportunity to teach your kids about how to take care of our environment, in particular about plastic problem. We know the reduce, reuse, recycle as the 3 R's, but there's one more that's important, that is return to earth. And this gel that they are making is biodegraded, so this is a perfect opportunity to get this extra activity with your kids to really give them the basic how to take care of it.
It's yellow, we can't really see anything.
There are a few things that we also included in this science kit. There are the playing cards, the science card. So what I can suggest is, after you go through all the experiment, you can maybe the next day try to play this science card, playing card by challenging each other. See who can answer the questions. You can also go through the gel science card that tells you about how it works, how the gel forms, and on the other side is an introduction to what is the glow-in-the-dark powder made of. And in here we have included a periodic table that is easy to read and simplified, so you and your children can play what I call element hunting. Okay, so for example, Esan, can you tell me which number is a nickel?
28.
Okay, how about oxygen? Oxygen
I
is,
already found it.
yeah, which element? Element 8. Yeah, very good. So it's a really fun introduction, and it's gonna be very good. Yes, that's gold. Good job, Asen. Yeah, it's gonna be good for their future. Yeah, so I guess that's what I can tell you in order for you to get the best experience out of the science kit. Now don't forget to have fun together with your children, and I hope you enjoy.